This is your chance to promote new for 2023 Pearly series of trainings in the evergreen and proven internet marketing niche. The Decoded Pearly series is a total of 6 courses on internet marketing, all built to help you make money online. A brand new Whitelabel Pearly opportunity. Be the first to grab this brand new Pearly product in a proven niche. Limited time discount. Grab this today. Click the button below to grab the special pricing today. It's more than just Pearly. Back to there's no debate anymore. If you want to succeed online, you need your own products to sell. It requires technical skills and abilities like it's no wonder most people never create their own products. The solution, our new Pearly. But why Pearly? Here's just a few things you can do with this Pearly. Pearly is the ultimate turnkey shortcut to having an online business. Introducing Decoded Pearly series. Module 1. Professionally created video course. This ready-to-go video course includes 3 lessons that will teach your leads or buyers what they need to know. Module 1. Professionally created video course. This ready-to-go video course includes 3 lessons that will teach your leads or buyers what they need to know. Module 2. Accompanying PDF training guide. This training guide is gem-packed with super valuable information your customers want and need. Module 3. Gorgeous eco-over graphics. We've taken care of the graphics design for you so you can immediately slap this on a lead page and start building your email list. Module 4. Easily editable unrebrandable CD graphics template. Easily change the title, tagline, images, and your name is the author, your photo or brand logo, whatever you want. Module 5. Editable and customizable. Evoke source file. Module 6. Audio version of the entire course. Module 7. Super quick and easy. Rebranding tutorials. You can customize these assets with your brand in a matter of seconds. Module 8. Full white label. Pearly rights license. Certifies that this is your asset and giving you the right to resell, redistribute, and even rebrand, redesign, claim authorship, and customize however you want. Quick recap. Today, you're getting a